Okay, next one up, lovely Kawasaki S1000SX. This is also going to get one of our full works packages. So this is going to get a snow foam safe wash just to remove any contaminants. We'll get all those discs all cleaned up, calipers. We'll get all that exhaust all minted up like new. Get it properly decontaminated and degreased. And then we're going to get it in the studio. This is, like I said, going to get one of our full works packages. So this is going to get a whole dose of Signature 4K ceramic. First off, we're going to do a two-stage machine polish. Once it's all washed, we'll get it in the studio, blow dry it, making sure to remove any moisture from switch gears, etc. Get that windscreen all polished up, get all this bodywork polished up, and then we will apply the Signature 4K ceramic on all the bodywork, including the wheels, the motor, suspension linkages, banjo bolts, anything like that will get misted with the XCP clear coat, making sure this bike is properly protected for the years to come. So we get all those wheels polished. We will ceramic the wheels as well as the bodywork. So let's get a bit of snow foam on it, loosen up all these contaminants, get all this exhaust all polished up as well. Let's get cracking, get it in the studio and crack on with some detailing. Okay, Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX is now fully washed, decontaminated, blow dried, and in the studio. I just put some chain lube on that chain. Just doing a bit of a paint inspection. I've noticed a few bits. See that there where your knees rub? That's got quite a bit of dullness. Got some marks on it here and there. It's pretty good shape, to be honest, but we're going to do a two-stage polish on this to remove any imperfections, get a bit of gloss back into that bit there. I'm going to polish these wheels. Got to mirror polish up that exhaust. And then we'll mist a bit of XCP corrosion protection on all this lower half, all up underneath the seat, suspension linkages, motor, and then we'll crack on with the polishing. So yes, I said it's got a few little imperfections here and there, nothing too serious. We'll get rid of that and then we'll apply the Signature 4K ceramic, get this properly protected for the years ahead. What a lovely example. All right, cracking on with this Ninja 1000 SX, coming along nicely. Windscreen is off as we polish the inside and outside of that. It's got a few marks on it. Paintwork's coming along. It's got a couple of little scratches there. I don't think I can take that out, but the spider webs are coming away. Get a bit of gloss back into those sides. Yeah, the windscreen's got quite a few marks on it, typical windscreens. Get all the abuse. Once we finish this second stage of polishing, we will then prep it, and then we'll start doing the ceramic side of things. Like I said, we're going to ceramic the wheels, all the body work. We'll ceramic that windscreen, and then she is finished. There you go. This Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX has now been completed. Oh my God, look at the freaking gloss on that. Good old Signature 4K ceramic. Absolutely knocks it out of the park. We use the Ultimaxx on this as we did with the other one. That is a full 5-year protection graphene ceramic coating. Look at the gloss on that, like a mirror. I managed to get rid of all those imperfections, dullness on the side where your knee's been rubbing, had a few spider webs, all removed. Now fully coated. I've done the wheels, done all the body work, all the lower half of the motor and everything's had the XCP clear coat. All the chains been serviced. Look at those wheels, absolutely gleaming. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963. We're on all the social medias, Instagram, Facebook. We got a YouTube channel with thousands of videos of before and afters, just to give you an idea on what your bike will look like. Keep your bike looking its best for years to come. Like I said, give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.